like a boss.
Alright, ladies, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction, and today we're going to be talking about 4 things that if you guys do, you guys are going to look crazy. Honest to God. Actually, it's 5 things. Jesus Christ. Honestly, look, you do this, I don't care how good intention you have, you're going to look crazy in front of a guy. You're going to scare him away, all right? You're going to scare me. You're going to make me look bad. You're going to make all of my subscribers look bad. You're going to make everybody look bad, all right? So these are the 5 things that you guys cannot do, all right? By the way, people, check out my merchandise. I have merchandise now, all right? I have Be Willing to Walk Away merchandise. Just, you know, I have Don't Tell People You Watch My Channel for the t-shirt. For those people who continually want to break my rules and yet you want to tell people you watch my channel. What the fuck? Oops, sorry about that. Oh God, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Let's keep that in there. I have my freeloader shirt for all the freeloaders out there. So yeah, people, you guys are gonna love this, right? So let's talk about those 5 things, right? The first one is this: nicknames. People, it's been a correlation in my life that anytime a woman uses a nickname for me, baby, calling me baby, giving me a nickname, calling me chocolate boy, whatever the fuck they want to call me, whatever racist name they want to call me, especially chocolate boy. I don't even know why. They've always been crazy. They've always been crazy. Calling me babe, you know, from the start, they've always been crazy. It's just how it is, right? And even if they're not crazy, I started seeing them as crazy. All right, so that's the first one. Calling me baby, giving me names. Do not give. That's some stripper shit, people. That's some stripper shit. Strippers do that. Not women who are not strippers. All right. If you're not a stripper, don't be doing that shit, because strippers need to charm men. All right, and so they use it to charm guys. If you're a normal woman who's not a stripper, then don't use that. Okay. The next one is asking to chill out soon. You're on the date already. You're on a date, and you really want to hang out again. Right? You're already planning out the dates. You're already asking me, what are we going to do next week? Ladies and gentlemen, anytime I've seen that, it's been a telltale sign that you're crazy. For real, right? So you don't want that. And I'm telling you, ladies, once a guy thinks you're crazy, it is very hard for him to think that you're not crazy. The only way for him to not think you're crazy is if you give him all the space that he needs and he comes back to you. And even when he comes back, you're not that easy to get in touch with. That's how you eliminate the crazy feeling, all right? But you asking him to chill soon before the date is even over, like, it's just too much, man. The next one, and actually, let me put this in there. More things are coming to me, people. Wanting something too bad, like wanting a relationship real bad. Like when you want it real bad, what tends to happen is that intense desire for a relationship usually is not aligned with what the guy wants. So your energy is here and his energy is here, right? And because of this lack of energy, the way that humans perceive a lack of synchronization is in awkwardness or a awkward moment, or you just don't feel like there's a connection between both of you guys when you guys are not in sync. And so when you try to force it, when you just try to force it, it's almost like when you're going to a job interview, the interviewer does not like you, but you want the job, right? He can sense how needy you are, but you don't sense it. You sense his distance, right? You don't want that. You don't want that. I want something, and he's like, I don't know yet. That will make you look crazy. That will make you look like you're not in reality. That kind of stuff, that's why you should keep it to yourself. That even though you want it real bad, keep it to yourself. Even though you want the job real bad, relax in the job interview. All right. The next one is over texting, sending fucking blocks, sending books over text. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, you guys cannot be doing that and telling people you watch my channel. You cannot be sending so many long text messages, double texting, triple texting like some of my clients do, and tell people you watch my channel, and worse, tell people you worked with me. People, that is you're giving me a bad name. You guys cannot be doing that. What you guys got to do is always be less than necessary. Always say less than necessary. So over texting, a lot of LOLs, a lot of ha-has. Not the LOLs and ha-has, but the over texting, blocks, like the fucking books, the novels that you guys send, that you guys can easily publish. Can't be sending that shit, man. That shit is creepy. The next one is introducing him to your family and friends on the second or third date. People, don't fucking do that shit. I remember one time a girl brought her cousin to the date. She brought her cousin to the date. And now it wasn't because she was trying to get close to me, but it was because she didn't want to do nothing with me. I sent both back home. I was like, look, man, come back to me without your cousin. All right, we can't be doing that shit. But the point is, you guys cannot be introducing your family and friends too quick. It looks desperate. What that says to me is that you're with him because you want to show your family and friends that you can keep a guy. All right. Next one, and this is a big one. Too much expression. Too much. Your expressions, your voice is too much. For example, I could be talking to you guys like this, right? And I look normal. But if I talk to you guys like this, and I use all of my expression, and I talk, and I'm up and down, and I'm talking like this, for real? Get out of here! No way. That makes you look crazy. It makes this being relaxed, being more relaxed. But the thing is that when you like someone, you're very excited. You like someone and you can't help it, and sometimes you don't notice it. You don't notice your inner cycle coming up. So that's why you got to overcompensate and just be a little bit more relaxed than usual, be a little bit more serious than usual. Control your nonverbals, control your expressions. That will automatically make you look more relaxed. Honestly, when somebody looks crazy, it's because their facial expressions are too extreme. Their voice is too much up. You see what I'm saying? Too much excitement. You respond too fast. You see what I'm saying? When you learn to slow down, you could easily eliminate a lot of the psychoness and hide how crazy you really are. All right, ladies. This is Alex from My For Attraction. You see that kind of stuff? You see that, right? So it's kind of like, that was just me showing you guys. Like, quick going from emotions. Like me. Anyway, like that kind of stuff, you don't want a sudden shift in emotions, right? You want like something like anyways, you want those quick, not like, anyway, like you want like you want like smooth transitions of emotions, because if you don't have that, you just look crazy. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of like somebody saying, "Hey, Alexis," yeah, as opposed to, "Hey, Alexis." Yeah, what's up? Smooth transitions of emotions, all right? Anyways, ladies, if you do this, you're not gonna look crazy. And sometimes to get the guy to like you is not about doing more, but about eliminating some behavior. All right. Anyways, this is Alex from MyForAttraction.org. People, the seminar in LA is canceled. We ain't going there, people. All right. Peace out.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other, and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your nonverbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.